All right, welcome guys. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this stunning AI picture that is realistic. Literally, AI is doing the most, and it's massive and mind blowing how AI is increasing every day. Alright, so you might be seeing stunning picture of people that you feel like they went to the studio because you cannot even differentiate a studio picture from it. Everything is just realistic and beautiful. Even some studio picture will not even give you this. This is this for me from experience will not even give you this. All right, so I want to teach you in this video how to do that because I notice a lot of you don't know how to create a professional picture. Maybe if you're the one like you have a business, you're an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, or you have a business, it's important you have a professional picture on your profile that looks exactly like you, like literally 90 to 99% looking like you. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that. This is really simple, straightforward, and very stress free. In seconds, you can get a stunning picture for your business, for your brand, even something that just represents what you want people to see about your business. Okay, so let's do this quickly. So we are going to be needing two apps basically. You can use one, but because in regards to prompt, you will need the other one, which is ChatGPT. So the app that I use for this that is really, really giving like it's stunning is Gemini app. So what you just do is go to the Play Store, your Play Store, Apple Store, if you're using an iPhone, and just search for uh Gemini, yeah. Oh, sorry, is it Gemini or please let me check this. Gemini, yeah, Gemini. So you search. Okay. I said I'm spelling something wrong. Gemini. I think I'm spelling this. Okay, I think I'm supposed to use G here. To just sound more like under AI generated app that I know. Okay. So I think this is the right word. So you see the way it is right now. Yeah, download it and then install, open it. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to just show you what I have done. Right. I've already generated only two picture from this and I'm blown away. Okay, so this is the one I just did. I think let me see if I can see the history of the one I did before now. Okay, this is the first one I did. No, this is it. So this is the first one I did. So it's very important that you have a very clear picture of yourself. If you have a studio picture like myself, better. But if you don't, please use a picture that shows exactly your face very clearly, right? You can use a selfie, use a selfie picture that shows your face very well. I'm not saying you can't use full picture of yourself, because some of you, when they tell you one thing, you go and do another one from experience. You go and snap full picture of yourself. No, it will not capture the AI will not be able to see your face very well. So you don't necessarily use a selfie where you just snap your face, maybe smiling or have a nice expression. Now, number two things I want to say now, apart from not using a full picture, but using a selfie instead. Two, don't use Snapchat picture. Use your normal camera, clean your lens, snap yourself if you don't have your storage, right? Snap yourself, let somebody snap you. If your face, your shoulder, physically, down to your chest or bust area, maybe your stomach length at most, right? Like I said, also use a clear normal camera, not Snapchat or any filtered or pitch app, you understand, so that your facial expression will be showing very well. You must not be use need makeup or anything. Just use your clear, let it just be your face showing very clearly. Use a picture that shows your face very clearly. And if you're uploading it on Gemini, I make sure you use all those kind of pictures. Don't use confusing picture that today your face looking in a particular way, on that day it's looking another way. Just use a clear picture. I guess you get my point by now. So yeah, I just uploaded this picture and then said drop this short prompt, right? And this is what it gave me. Very, very stunning, very demure picture. You can just look at, can you differentiate this from this? Can you differentiate this person from this person? Like it's the same thing. So you see, you get what I'm saying now. There's not like You God, they won't give me a better hairdo than the one I was even using. You get, so this is just stunning. You can always you can just long press on it like this and save. Simple, very easy to download, and it is downloaded. Finish. You can then crop it and remove this Gemini logo underneath it if you want to. Fairly you remove it, so people will not know that it's Gemini app you use, or it's an AI. So for best results, don't use that. So that's it. Then the second one I even use now is this one. And the good thing about this one is, why I want to show you this, is that this, you can literally see any picture anywhere and replicate it. So this idea, I just saw it on a platform, right? I just love the idea, the portrait picture of myself, the picture there and everything, the setting, I just love it, and I wanted to recreate it, but I don't have the prompt. So this is what I just did, and this is what I just also wrote here. If you come across a AI generated picture, even if it's not even AI, maybe you go to Pinterest, you see a Photoshop, a photo shoot. There's a video for that also, right? A photo shoot of somebody. Maybe you like being person position yourself in the photo shoot. You want something like that for yourself. Just take that picture, take it to ChatGPT, and do exactly what I am just telling you to do. So whether it's an AI picture or is normal picture of somebody, but you like the setting, you like the way the picture was snapped by the photographer, the way the thing is, and you want to replicate it, but you don't know how to write it in a way that it will give you, you'll be able to tell the Gemini AI to give you exactly what you want, because the prompting matters with AI. So you can use ChatGPT to get that exact prompt, and I'm going to show you how. So just like I saw this picture and I replicated it, you see what they gave me, but mine was even more beautiful than what actually the idea I got. So basically, this is what I did. And like I said, I just go there and requested for the exact prompt that I'll use for it. Even if it does not have exact prompt, it will give you something that is like 98% close to that prompt. So this is what I did with ChatGPT. I went to ChatGPT, and you see me here, I just uploaded the picture that I have the idea. I said, give me, just simple, give me the exact prompt that I was used to create this picture. And ChatGPT actually made it clear that it doesn't really have access to the exact prompt, but it can give me something similar to that, right? So he now told me that, okay, and asked me two questions, and he asked me which AI do I want to generate this image from, and I told him, even gave me some option, but that was not part of the one I needed. All that I was using, I'm using Gemini. So I told him I'm using Gemini AI, right? Gemini, and also I'm not the person in the picture, so I want to use my picture instead. So it's just simple explanation, but I want the same setup, like the woman in suit, the office, the portrait behind that, etc. And then he said perfect and gave me the prompt. So what I just did was copy this exact prompt. See where I stopped empowering. That was where I also stopped. I copied it, and then I went to the Gemini AI. You see, that's exactly what I did. I started empowering. Now, what I just simply added was note, use my face in replacement of the model. That's simply what I do. Even ChatGPT told me that also. And then I uploaded my picture and sent it together. And then this was what it gave me. Stunning. All right. So even ChatGPT can even give you more other prompts. Even give you idea of, like, if you create something you have as an idea, even was even suggesting other things for me that I can actually get a prompt for. So this is simply how you can get a stunning AI picture. So if you're my student and you're not having a stunning picture of yourself, in fact, I want you guys to do this and submit it on the group. Drop your own AI pic. Let me see and correct you. But with this, there should be no issue of, I don't have money to snap a picture. Or my picture, you know. And when you are doing that for your own professional picture, make sure you're using a portrait. It should be indicated that it's a portrait, headshot. All right. So that's that about that. Enjoy, and let me know how it goes.